Secrets about a pay to click on websites. Simply click the link marked Visit and wait a few seconds to receive $2, then repeat the process and earn as usual. Step number 1. To earn money online, using this strategy is to head over to the secret site. I started using this website and I did test it. It's a trustful website. I will show you my points from this site and at the end of this video. So stay with me, so be sure to see it all the way through. The name of this website will be revealed in the moment. So this isn't the only website where you can make money by clicking on the link we will be visiting. The platforms you need to combine to make money and withdraw I will be discovered at the end of this video. So be sure to watch it on the end. So the first thing I want you to do is sign up for a free account on the website. To do this, just simply click the sign button on the basically top right corner, set up your own username, enter your email address, create a password, and basically just click on the check box which said I want to create a free account. Here on top you can check your points. Step number 2. You only need to hover your mouse over this earn points section, click where it says websites hits and get paid to click on websites. However, you need to stick around with me so I can show you how to convert those points into real money, because as you can see there is no withdraw button to be found on this website. So you need to do something to convert those points into real money. And it's going to be very simple. Once you click on the website hits, you will basically see all these web pages we can attempt to earn points. Just click on the visit checkbox here to open up another website. We just need to wait for about 20 seconds now. After that we can close this website and the points will be added to our accounts. So as you can see, we have 179 points, and you can see that our account previously had 179 points, but it's now 197 points. So YouLikeHits.com is the name of the website where you can click on websites to earn rewards. And the more points you have, the more cash you will be able to withdraw. Step 3. Now that you know how to click on web pages to earn points, let me show you how to convert those points into actual cash. To do this, go to the cpagroup.com and sign up for a free account. Once you log into your account, it should look something like this. Then all you have to do is click on the offer tools link on the left side of the page. Choose my offering from this. If you don't already know, CPA stands for cost per actions. So which means that we only need to refer someone to a URL link where they may need to sign up for something for free. They don't need to spend any money at all. Instead, they just require that they are entering their email address and their name. This is much easier than trying to sell anything. Now we just need to grab a referral. Step number 4. You can choose from a variety of offers to earn $2 per lead. But one that I came across paid me $2.05 per lead for each person I refer to this website. They also have the opportunity to enter giveaways when they sign up, which means they won't have to pay anything but could instead receive a chance to win a $750 gift card for nothing, which is a great opportunity. Now sometimes when you send people to this link, if they register for a free account, they have the opportunity to win a $750 gift card, and you are paid $2 per person, which is really fantastic. For 10 people, you're going to make $20, and if you send 100 people to this link, you're going to make $200, and so on and so on. You only need to make it short, and the point, once you have your referral link for the deal, basically, so copy that long URL from CPA and visit shortener.com. You can see that I would have to paste my long URL here before selecting shorten. I don't have to sign up, and this is my new URL, which is very short, but it's now looks more appealing. Just copy your shorten link and you can use it. Step number 5. Visit twitter.com and register a new account. If you don't have an account, so please open the new one. Don't worry, you don't need to have any followers or like to complete this. Basically, Twitter accounts are completely free to create because we will just be utilizing this platform to withdraw money from youlikehits.com. As you can see, so all you have to do is click the tweet button below and start posting about a new giveaway. Different pictures and rewards are based on the deal you choose from cpagrip.com. I will give you a $750 gift card, and you can enter here for free by passing your short URL sites here. Select tweet from the menu and click on the retweet options. As you can see, you have successfully added this. Step number 6. As a result, your one click on the website is equal to $2 in order to demonstrate my profits to date, basically utilizing this strategy every time they click on our URL link in this tweet and sign up. I use CPA lead for this strategy. Your retweets campaign will begin as soon as you select the points, and depend on how many points you have on your account, you will start to receive a lot of retweets in a short period of time. If you want to stop this campaign, just select the off option from here and it will end your campaign. That is how we choose between 3 points and 30 points, but I recommend that you only choose between 6 and 10 points. That's how you can get paid to click on the website. I hope you got a benefit from it.
By the way, if you want to learn how I make money from home with zero experience, click the link in the comment sections. I will guide you step by step throughout the process. It is easy to follow and it is learnable. Let's go. I would also be grateful if you can subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and share my video with others. Thank you for your support.